The Mazda MX-30 plug-in hybrid model that uses a rotary engine as a generator makes its world premiere at the Brussels Motor Show today. Mazda chose to use a rotary engine to power this generator, taking advantage of a rotary engine's unique ability to produce the required output with a small power unit. The newly developed 8C rotary engine is packaged alongside the generator and a high-output motor in the engine bay. This compact electric power plant is paired with a 17.8 kWh lithium-ion battery and a 50-liter gas tank to create a unique series plug-in hybrid system. The MX-30 e-Skyactiv REV has an 85 km battery electric driving range,